Number 1. 1986 Ford F-150, price $8,995. This truck has only 91,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 4.9L inline 6-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and a capable 4WD drivetrain. Finished in classic white with a well-kept tan interior, this truck has been carefully maintained and remains in impressive condition. Originally from Oregon, it features a solid body and rust-free floors, reflecting the benefits of its history in a favorable climate. The engine runs strong, and the truck starts easily, drives smoothly, and performs exactly as it should. Inside, the tan interior has been well cared for and remains clean and comfortable, while the exterior presents nicely with its timeless appearance. It also comes equipped with a great set of wheels and tires that complement its rugged look and provide confident performance on and off the road. Number 2. 2002 Ford Ranger, price $6,800. It has 153,000 miles on the odometer, is powered by a dependable 4.0L V6 gasoline engine, and comes paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in red with a black interior, this 4-door, 4-wheel drive pickup has been in the same family since new and has always been mechanically maintained. Over the last 6 months, it has received extensive maintenance, including a complete brake service with new front pads and rotors, new rear drums and shoes, a new alternator, a new battery, and a full tune-up with new spark plugs and wires. The truck runs and drives great, with no check engine light or any other warning lights illuminated on the dashboard. It has never been involved in any accidents and remains in outstanding condition both inside and out. A clean and clear title is in hand, making this well-maintained Ranger ready for its next owner. Number 3. 1994 Ford Ranger, price $6,500, powered by a dependable V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has just 108,000 original miles and has been owned by the same owner since new. Finished in a striking purple exterior with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered truck remains completely stock and is free of rust. The paint still looks excellent, and the interior has been well cared for, showing only normal wear for its age. It runs and drives perfectly with no mechanical issues, warning lights, or fluid leaks, reflecting consistent maintenance throughout its life. The 4-wheel drive system operates flawlessly, making it a capable and reliable truck for both daily driving and off-road use. Additional features include power windows, power locks, power mirrors, a rear sliding window, a tow hitch, good tires, AM/FM radio, running boards, and a heater that works well. The air conditioning is functional but could benefit from a recharge. The truck comes with a clean title in hand and is ready for its next owner. Number 4. 1992 Chevrolet Silverado, price $10,000. This truck has 180,000 miles and is equipped with a reliable 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in silver with a clean gray interior, this truck runs and drives great while providing cold air conditioning for a comfortable ride. It features a well-maintained seat, a fully functional aftermarket radio, and a set of 20-inch American racing wheels wrapped in like-new tires, giving it an aggressive and attractive appearance. Originally purchased new in Huntsville, Alabama, this is a local 3-owner truck that has been well cared for over the years. It also comes with a dual exhaust system that delivers a subtle tone without being overly loud. While the truck has a few dings on the hood and some minor scratches around the body, it is not being represented as a show truck. Number 5. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,250. It has 154,000 original miles and is powered by a dependable V6 engine paired with a smooth 5-speed manual transmission. Finished in a green exterior with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered truck has been well maintained and is ready for daily driving, work, or weekend hauling. It runs and drives great with no mechanical issues, no fluid leaks, and no warning lights on the dashboard. The clutch engages smoothly, providing a confident and enjoyable driving experience. The truck is equipped with power windows, power locks, good tires, and a tow hitch, making it both comfortable and practical for everyday use or light towing. Its solid performance, reliable drivetrain, and clean overall condition make it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a dependable classic Chevrolet pickup. Number 6. 2001 Ford F-250, price $10,000, powered by the legendary 7.3L Power-Stroke diesel engine and has 260,000 miles on the odometer. The truck has been owned by the same owner for over 20 years and has been garage-kept, remaining in impressive condition for its age. The transmission was professionally repaired by Frenchtown Transmission less than 10,000 miles ago. It currently drives well, although it has a slight hesitation under hard acceleration. If the truck does not sell, the owner plans to have the transmission rebuilt and adjust the asking price accordingly. It is equipped with a leveling kit, 33-inch tires mounted on 2019 Lariat wheels, a backup camera, and an upgraded infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Number 7. 1999 Toyota Tacoma, price $7,900, powered by a proven 3.4L V6 engine paired with a smooth 5-speed manual transmission and a capable 4x4 drivetrain. With 227,000 miles on the odometer, it continues to run excellent with no mechanical issues, making it a reliable choice for both daily driving and weekend adventures. Finished in a blue exterior with a clean gray interior, this Tacoma offers a classic appearance while providing a comfortable cabin. It also features cold air conditioning that works as it should, ensuring a pleasant driving experience in any season. Renowned for its legendary Toyota reliability and long-lasting durability, this truck has been built to handle tough jobs and challenging road conditions with confidence. Number 8. 1992 Ford F-150, price $9,500, with only 137,000 miles on the odometer, it continues to deliver reliable performance and a smooth driving experience. Powered by a strong 5.8L EFI V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this gasoline-powered truck offers plenty of power while remaining comfortable for everyday driving. Its attractive blue exterior gives it a timeless appearance that stands out wherever it goes. The truck is in excellent mechanical condition and is ready to be driven without needing any immediate repairs or maintenance. It runs smoothly, shifts effortlessly, and provides a comfortable ride. The air conditioning blows cold, making it enjoyable to drive in warm weather, while all of the power features operate exactly as intended. Number 9. 1996 Dodge Ram 1500, price $5,000, with 148,000 miles on the odometer, it is powered by a reliable 5.9L V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. Its fully functional 4x4 drivetrain provides added capability for off-road adventures, towing, or handling challenging road conditions with confidence. Finished in a classic green exterior with a clean gray interior, the truck offers a timeless look while maintaining the rugged character Dodge trucks are known for. It is equipped with a set of nearly new tires that provide excellent grip and a comfortable ride. The air conditioning will need to be recharged, and the windshield has a crack, but these are minor issues compared to the truck's overall mechanical condition. A clean title is in hand, making the sale straightforward and hassle-free for its next owner. Number 10. 1996 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,000, it has 175,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior with a clean gray interior. The truck has a check engine light related to a misfire, and the owner was informed it may be caused by the fuel injectors or a camshaft sensor. Despite this, it is driven approximately 30 minutes to work every day without any issues. It has been well maintained with several recent upgrades, including a new battery, new shocks, new spark plugs, new spark plug wires, a new distributor cap and rotor, and a set of new tires. The interior has also been thoroughly cleaned, making the truck presentable and comfortable. Overall, it is a dependable daily driver with several new maintenance items already completed.